Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, NZD USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 3rd March 2021, Wednesday. Okay. So this analysis is for Wednesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. And you can see that I'm not having a professional background and professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. So please do not mind. Yeah. Anyways, you can see that right now the market is trading at 0.7290. Okay. And you can see I have marked 3 levels on the chart. Okay. So this is the first level 0.7304. This is the resistance and this is the support for the market. Okay, 0.7213. And on the extreme downside you can see I have marked another level 0.71 of this one 0.7156, this level. Okay, and right now you can see after this big fall market is in a particular range. Okay, so market is in a range. So what should be your strategy for the day? Your strategy is simple. As the market is in range, okay, let the market stay in this range. Okay, you do not need to trade as long as market in is in this range. Okay, you will only initiate a buy position once market crosses this level or this line. If market crosses this level, okay, then let the market stay above this resistance for at least 1 hour. Okay, let market feel comfortable, let the resistance become the support, then only you should initiate the buy position. Suppose you see a candle breaking this level, or do not consider it as a breakout right away. Okay, it may be a fake out also. So let the market stay comfortable, or let the market sustain above this resistance for at least 1 hour. Then only initiate the buy position. Okay, and if market crosses this level, I would not recommend to short the market because if you short the market somewhere around here, then this will be your target because there is a support available here. Okay, if you want, then you can short the market for quick profit. Okay, for quick profit, but the best position to take a trade will be above this level only. Let's switch to the 4 hours time frame. It is not coming up. Probably I am having some internet issues. Ah, okay. In the 4 hours time frame also you can see that market is making red green candles. No such trend present at this moment. Okay, so no buy position or no sell position between these two lines, or between in this range. Only buy above this line only, or above this range 73062. Let market cross this resistance comfortably, then only you should start a buy. And if market gives a breakdown, then you can initiate a short position here also, but your take profit target will be this only. Okay, because there is a support available at this range, so be careful. So best position will be wait for the market to cross this level. Okay. So this is the simple analysis of New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 3rd March 2021. Okay, so this is it, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs, then you can check the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.